My name is Farah. I'm 28 years old. I'm Syrian. I live in Jordan. I'm locked in my room by my family since October 18. I called the police and family protection after my family beat me, uh, but they bring me back to my family. Uh, I tried to call UN, but they don't want to help me. My family asked me to suicide. I'm trying to escape, but they took all my money. Uh, I need, I need help. My life is in a danger. I still locked in my room from October 18 by my family. I called the family protection and the police, but they threatened me to put in a prison or mental institution, or bring me back to my family because the law goes with family. For no solution, I chose my family. I called you in Jordan. They told me we can't help you because you are a refugee in Jordan. After that, I got a call from UNHCR lawyer. I asked her, what can I do? She said, pray and ask God to save you. All that because I refused wearing hijab. I faced beating and violence by my family and like an animal without any mercy. I need your help because my life is in a danger.